and coffee and see if we can't snack some donuts. So you got to get out, you got to enjoy the weather, and you got to take a kid to a car show. Today I'm taking my grandson with me. You want to drive? You want to drive? No. You like these cars? Well, folks, it's awful early and nobody's here yet except for about 5 or 6 of us. We are at the Harley-Davidson motorcycle dealership. But we are out and about and we're having a good time. That's what counts. That one's shiny, isn't it, buddy? What you got there, buddy? Chocolate donut. Cars and coffee. And donuts. Well, if you've never been in a Harley-Davidson dealership, you have now. And if you were wondering how much a 2021 Harley-Davidson cost, now you know. But we do appreciate them hosting Cars and Coffee. This right here is really cool. Knowing that I don't know much about motorcycles, I can't tell you if this is a brand new one or a restored one. But it's got my vote. It's either one of Elvis's Harley-Davidsons or a replica of one of Elvis's. It says prototype on it, so I'm betting it's brand new. It's a really cool venue for a car event or a bike event. We've got a few more that showed up. It's hard to start something new this close to the Memphis area when Memphis has so many Cars and Coffees. And we usually go to those. I'm going to start bringing those to you as well. The same, but what? The spoiler? Yeah. They've got drive-out tags on them. So if they must be brand new. What do you think? Or not brand new, but they just got them.
It is definitely summer.
No. That's a limousine. Where do you think he's going? The longer the car, the shorter the ride. Does anybody know what movie that's from? All right, guys, comment. What's your favorite car here?
You see what wrap a towel around this piece of drive. I've been a passenger seat. Look color silk all over. Got a big block in it too. Yeah.
What you think about that one, buddy? Hmm? All right, folks. It was definitely a light crowd today, but this is going to be where we're going to leave it with you. We are going to jump in the Roadster and head back out of here. Hope I can make something out of this little video. If I do, you'll see it. Once again, thanks for watching. Thanks for following us along. It's Saturday morning, and I know you need to be out in the garage building something. Till next time.